Driving in 2025 is an entirely different experience than it was just a few years ago. With smart technology, AI-driven features, and futuristic gadgets, upgrading your car is easier than ever. Whether you're looking for safety, convenience, or just some high-tech fun, these 5 must-have car gadgets on Amazon will take your driving experience to the next level. Let's dive into the world of innovation and see how these devices can transform your car into a smarter, safer, and more enjoyable ride. 1. AI-powered dash cam with real-time alerts. Dash cams have been around for years, but in 2025, they're not just recording devices. They're your personal co-pilot. The latest AI-powered dash cams now come with real-time hazard detection, facial recognition for driver monitoring, and even predictive accident prevention. One of the best options available on Amazon is the next-gen AI dash cam. It doesn't just record your drives in Ultra HD. It actively monitors road conditions, alerting you about potential collisions, sudden lane departures, and even driver fatigue. Imagine a gadget that not only protects you in case of an accident, but actively works to prevent one. These AI dash cams connect to your smartphone, providing live footage, instant playback, and cloud storage options. Plus, with voice commands, you don't even need to touch it. Just tell it to start recording or reviewing an event. If safety and security are your priorities, this is one gadget you can't afford to skip. 2. Smart heads-up display for navigation. We all love Google Maps or Apple Maps, but looking down at your phone while driving is not only annoying, it's dangerous. That's where the latest smart heads-up displays come in. These futuristic gadgets project essential driving information directly onto your windshield, ensuring you never take your eyes off the road. One of the top-rated options on Amazon is the HoloDrive X5, which offers real-time GPS navigation, speed tracking, and voice control integration. Unlike older smart heads-up displays, this model has a crystal-clear, high-brightness display that works in both daylight and nighttime conditions. It even integrates with your car's system, showing real-time fuel efficiency, engine health, and alerts for upcoming traffic stops. The best part? It's completely wireless and works via Bluetooth. You just mount it on your dashboard, pair it with your phone, and enjoy a high-tech driving experience. If you want to feel like you're piloting a futuristic vehicle, this is the gadget for you. 3. Wireless tire pressure monitoring system. Ever had a flat tire at the worst possible moment? Or maybe you've noticed a tire running low, but you weren't sure if it was serious? A wireless tire pressure monitoring system solves that problem before it even starts. The AutoGuard Smart Tire Pressure Monitoring System is a real-time tire pressure monitoring device that connects to your smartphone and provides instant alerts if any tire starts losing pressure. It can detect slow leaks before they become dangerous, saving you from potential blowouts or expensive repairs. This system comes with wireless sensors that attach to each tire's valve, sending data to your phone or a small digital display in your car. If a tire's pressure drops, you'll get an instant alert, allowing you to act before it's too late. With road safety becoming a bigger concern than ever, this gadget is an absolute must-have for anyone who drives regularly. 4. AI-powered car assistant with voice control. Forget Alexa or Siri. Your car now has its own AI assistant. The DriveMate AI car assistant is like having a personal co-pilot that helps with navigation, music control, hands-free texting, and even finding nearby gas stations or charging points. This voice-controlled assistant integrates seamlessly with your car's infotainment system, responding to your commands with AI-driven accuracy. Just say things like, "Find the nearest charging station," "Play my road trip playlist," "Remind me to check my oil levels next week." The AI assistant can also learn from your driving habits, making suggestions based on your routine. If you're running low on gas, it will automatically find the nearest fuel station. If you drive the same route every day, it will notify you about traffic conditions in advance. This device works wirelessly via Bluetooth and supports both iOS and Android. If you love the convenience of voice assistants at home, this gadget is a game changer for your car. 5. Solar-powered smart car air purifier. Ever stepped into your car on a hot day and been hit with an unbearable smell? That's where a solar-powered smart car air purifier comes in. Unlike traditional car fresheners, which only mask odors, these purifiers actively remove pollutants, allergens, and bacteria from your car's interior air. One of the best-rated models on Amazon is the EcoBreeze Solar Car Purifier, which uses a HEPA filter combined with activated carbon technology to eliminate odors and airborne toxins. The best part? It runs entirely on solar power, meaning no batteries or charging are needed. Just place it on your dashboard and it will work automatically as long as there's sunlight. This is perfect for anyone who spends a lot of time in their car, especially in urban areas with high pollution levels. If you want fresher, cleaner air every time you drive, this is a must-have upgrade. Technology is evolving fast, and the way we interact with our cars is changing along with it. These 5 must-have car gadgets on Amazon in 2025 are designed to make driving safer, smarter, and more enjoyable. Whether you're a daily commuter, a road trip enthusiast, or just someone who loves cool tech, these gadgets will upgrade your driving experience in ways you never imagined. Which one of these gadgets would you want in your car? Let us know in the comments, and if you enjoyed this list, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more tech innovations that you don't want to miss. Stay safe, drive smart, and I'll see you in the next video.